Okay guys, we're back here with another video. On this side, we're going to be framing up this side of the shed here. That was my dad drilling. He's finally done drilling, so it's not noisy anymore. But yeah, so this is literally all the wall is going to be. We have a green treated piece of 2x4 right there, and there's going to be an identical one on the other side. And then it's going to be simply a stud and 2 cripples that go all the way up to our big old header here, which is going to be a double 2x6. And then from on top of the 2x6, it's just going to be cripples, just like on that side, how you can see there's cripples. So on that side, we built a wall, raised the wall up, and then built the triangle. So instead on this one, we're just going to bring the cripples straight up from the header. So there'll be no top plate. So it'll just be straight up, since basically the whole wall is a garage door framing. So yeah, and then we're going to make sure we anchor it in strong so it's super sturdy, and yeah. Let's get to work. Okay, so what we're getting done here is we're getting this outside board up. We got that one going across. Hold up. Copyright, copyright. We got a speaker here, and we also got another speaker there. But yeah, so now I'm getting ready to secure this piece up in there like that. We already got this one on the side secure, and we already got our baseboard secured on each side. And then we got our 2 cripples cut. One's right here. The other one is right there. We got our header already screwed all together. So we're about to start throwing this all together. It should be pretty darn sweet. So when we start throwing it all up, I'll have a little time lapse.
What you doing?
Hey, you took my battery, boy.
What is
He took my battery. Go show him.
What's the angle?
We about to build a house with that man.
Look, yeah, dude, this kid's ready to build a house.
Oh yeah.
What's the angle?
I don't know. I was just gonna line it up next to it and be like, okay.
So here's what we got, boys. Here's what we got. So over here, we got this side framed in.
I already showed
We got the garage door, and then you got the freaking man door. Here's it from the outside.
That new camera, it's really shaky when you walk with it, so just you stay with it. Oh, look at the sunset!
I gotta get back up here.
Man, it's so beautiful.
Don't they say not to point your camera right at the sun?
Yeah, that's our photographer guy. But he said sunsets and sunrises are okay.
How does that make any sense?
Because they're not as bright.
Back it up, back up. We're about to blow this thing down. Oh, a finger!
Battery died?
Yeah, she did.
No!
Is that the last battery?
No! Well, he's about to destroy my last battery.
Oh, and you only got the little ones on these too.
Yeah. Well, my dad's going to get more batteries. But...
A little vlog nation here. We got some pizzas, some drinks. You know what we on out here.
Okay, guys. So last night I was editing this YouTube video, and right as we started to really assemble this wall, all my clips were in slow-mo. So that is my bad. I filmed them in slow-mo from the camera, so it's not like if I was to speed them up in my editing software, it'd probably still be pretty crappy quality. So yeah, check out these cool slow-mo clips of us working on the shed. But yeah, so as you can see, we're just working on the wall, getting it done. So I'm here to do a little overview of what's happening in the slow-mo videos until it gets back to where I had it in a normal film mode. Because the whole video is not in slow-mo, it's just basically the clips of us assembling the wall. Except for the very top triangle, I filmed that normal. So this is what we ended up doing. So if you come over to the right here, you can see that all we have on this wall for our baseboard is this right here. And then on the other side here, we have this green treated board. And so these are concrete anchor studs. They're 1/2 inch by 7 inches long, so they go deep down into the concrete. And yeah, so we got our stud on the outside. This stud just runs all the way up to the corner, to that slant piece, and then it literally goes all the way up and around. And then we have right here our next stud that just runs straight up to that slant board. And then we got 2 trimmers right here that go up to our header. So our header here is another 2x6 that's doubled. And yeah, we did the exact same thing on the other side over here. If you check this out, we got all these extra little supports in between the 2 studs that help hold it really sturdy. So with all these extra little reinforcement braces, it's actually really, really strong. And so when we went to put in our header, like I said, we went double in thickness, but as you can see there right on top, we did a double top plate to that header because our header, there you can see a lot better from this side, had a lot of play. Ow, I tripped. Had a lot of play this way. So when we used to pull on it, it would shake back and forth a lot. And that's because the wood is meant to bow, like easily move that way. Like the strength is mainly in going up and down with it. So when you put the double top plate of the 2x4s going the other way, the 2x4s don't want to bend back and forth. So that strengthens this header and allows it not to want to bend. So you see I can put a lot of force on it right now, and it's not wanting to bend, it's wanting to move the whole wall. So that is great. And yeah, there's a little quick overview. Sadly, I had all these cool video clips of us working on it, but I filmed them in slow-mo, my bad. But then we came back the next day and we instantly started working on the cripples, which I have a time lapse of and videos of us talking about getting started on those. So that is all I wanted to fill in here. After work, I just came out to the property so I could give you guys a little rundown of what we did with the sidewalls so you guys know what to do if you want to do something like that. But yeah, this wall is going to be sweet. It's literally just a huge garage door. So yeah. And we actually went and picked the garage door up yesterday. So we got 4 packages, hardware package, 2 panels. This is a 16 by 7 foot insulated garage door, non-automatic. Then this one is 8 by 7, height being 7 on both of them. And this is as well an insulated garage door, brand spanking new. And it's insulated as well. So yeah, super sweet. So I'm gonna stop talking and cut back into the normal video. So we're back the next day to finish up these cripples. So we got these little supports up to help hold it overnight. I got one in right there, and I'm gonna set up my GoPro and have a little time lapse of me putting them all in for you guys. So let's get right to work. So, as you can see right here, we got all the cripples in on the wall. So it looks super sweet, super sturdy now. Hey Rylan, you go ahead and shake the wall. I wanna actually see, we haven't shook it yet. But here, actually let me go to this side. Yeah, so he's like not even on the ground. And it's very sturdy. What do you say?
Yeah.
Yeah? So that double top plate definitely helped with the bending of the header back and forth. So that is super good that we ended up doing that. And yeah, we got a wide opening now. Looks pretty legit, if you ask me. So we got all the metal ordered this Friday. So it should, last Friday, so it should be in this Friday. So then the next video will be on throwing all that siding on when it comes in, along with maybe installing like the man door or some garage doors, depending on how hard those are. But Mom wants me to hook up to my trailer real quick so she can load up all this brush that she's been trimming out at the property, so I'm gonna go do that. So Mom loaded up the whole trailer with brush, but we've got it mostly emptied up. We put an old piece of cardboard over the fire and it got lit from last night. It was still pretty hot apparently. So we just started throwing it on. It seems to be burning, so. Yep, that's good. But yeah, stay tuned for the build on this trailer. It's gonna be sweet, trust me. I got a lot planned. I've been buying stuff for it, but the video should be coming out soon on that. But yeah, it's gonna come in handy for getting these metal panels for the trailer. I gotta get a thumbnail before it gets too dark. Well, I'm happy to inform you guys I did get the thumbnail before it got dark. But yeah, I'm back at the garage. We're gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It wasn't the best quality that I would have liked to put out for you guys because of me accidentally filming almost the whole thing in slow-mo. But I think I did pretty good with what I did film that wasn't in slow-mo. So yeah, and then I just made a cool little montage of the slow-mo things, which it's a mix-up, you know. It's the best I could do with what it was, and I think it turned out okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And right here in the background, that jet ski, I have a whole bunch of parts coming in for it next week. So I don't know if I'll film it, but that's a project I'm gonna have to be doing next week. And then got the four-wheeler back home. It's having a charging issue, or maybe the new battery I bought for it is just junk. And here's some pitters I picked up. I traded my little enclosed trailer for them, which I don't even think I ever filmed the enclosed trailer for you guys either. But there's a lot of projects I go and buy and trade and flip that I just don't film because they're just quick flips. And yeah, but I will keep posting these shed build videos because they're super sweet and you guys seem to really like them. I got a lot of views on the last one, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one, and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also, I do plan on doing some trailer videos here soon, maybe some lighting or just making it look nicer because I want to get that build on the way, because right now I don't even want to take it to my neighborhood because it looks so rough. So we got to get that thing looking good. But yeah, packed garage, lots of things to do, super busy doing college, so wish me luck, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.